YouTube. So we have come across this issue on multiple vehicles. I'm sure you're no slouch when you go to open your hood and it starts to fall on you. Pretty simple process here. All you need is the parts and a flathead screwdriver, maybe some type of propping device to assist this heavy hood. Pretty simple. So in order to replace this side, relatively easy. Flathead screwdriver. You've got two retaining style clips, one here and one up there. Once the pressure has been relieved, it's relatively simple. I've got the new part here. We'll go ahead and wipe down the area on both of the little balls, knobs. Apply a little bit of grease. You're going to probably need that hood prop because these hoods are extremely heavy. And that's it. Let's see what we got. So really all I did was take the flathead screwdriver and just lift this up right here. I did this on both sides. Now I'm going to lift the hood, relieve the tension, remove the strut, wipe down each area, and I'm going to apply a little bit of grease. There is grease already inside that they've applied. See if we can find that. Well, apparently not. Doesn't look like it. But anyway, I'm going to put a little bit of grease so that this can sit there and not be squeaky or damage anything. It's got something to slide up and down on. Just remember, these hoods are heavy, so be careful with that. So you can see that once you get it removed, there's some factory grease there. Go ahead and get that cleaned up, and we'll apply a little bit of grease as well. And I did the same thing there. I did it off camera because the hood is quite heavy and you do need to move the hood. Now once you get the pin removed, the retaining style clip there, just be careful. It's going to pop right back into place. It's got some tension behind it, so you may need to take that flathead and try to relieve the tension again. So the installation is quite easy. I'm going to put a little bit of grease on here. So it's just a matter of getting that clip out of the way. You do not want to remove that clip in this process, so it would be a tough job to get that back on there, I'm sure. So I'm going to go ahead, and since I only have one hand, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and we'll get this installed. Super easy. It does say on the instructions to pick up like a 1/8 on each side so that you're not jamming it in there, but I found that simply applying that grease and putting a little bit of my Phillips screwdriver right here under it, it just snapped right in. Boom. And now there's no wood support. Both sides are done. Let's see. Very stiff, brand new, but look at that. Oh yeah. There you go. Quick and easy. 20 bucks, shipped to your house. Didn't take but 5-10 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed. Tell me what I'm doing right, tell me what I'm doing wrong. If you have any suggestions, if you're interested in anything, you got a comment, post it down in there below. Consider subscribing, and have a good one.